Hey, what's going on YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of different websites that you can go ahead and change the background of any picture, okay? You don't need no Photoshop skills, no graphic design skills or anything like that, alright? Really straightforward, okay? Now, this is the first page right here. It's called Removebg, and as you can see, pretty self-explanatory right there. All you need to do is go ahead and click that blue button right there, and you're going to see magic, okay? Alright, so that's all we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and click that button right there. You can see that I have a picture right here, so all you have to do is upload it, and there you go. Within a couple of seconds we're gonna see magic, okay? So you can see that it removed the background automatically. That's all we needed to do, just basically go ahead and upload it, and that's it. And then if you want to go ahead and download the picture, click that blue button right there. Oops, I'm sorry, I accidentally clicked twice. So there we go. Alright, so you can see that we have a nice little penguin that's just chilling right there by himself, okay? So that's all you needed to do. Go ahead and upload the picture, click download, that's it, okay? Never been easier, okay? You don't need no special skills, nothing like that, alright? And then to be able to go ahead and download the pictures, you don't need to go ahead and register. You don't need no trials, nothing, okay? You just go ahead and go to this page right there, Removebg, which I'm gonna go ahead and hook you up with the link in the description, and that's pretty much about it. Alright, so that's the first site right there, Removebg. Alright, so we go ahead and move on to the second option, which is called Photoscissors. Photoscissors. And once again, alright, you have to go down right here to the blue button, make the magic happen, alright? Right there. This particular program, you can also download it, and it's available for Mac and Windows, okay? All you need to do right here is go to this page, go to this part right here where it says API and tools, and right there you'll be able to go ahead and get the download links to Windows or Mac or iOS, okay? Alright, so if all you want to do is just go ahead and change the background as mentioned, go down right here to the blue button right there, and we're gonna go ahead and upload the picture of the penguin just chilling right there, and that's it. And then if you just want to go ahead and download it, you click that download button right there, and you double click this right here. So there you go, your picture right here. You also get a couple more tools, okay? You get the option to go ahead and change the background right there and then. Alright, so let's say background presets, let's do a Facebook cover color. You can probably change it to whatever color you want. That's it. Alright, and right here you get the option to go ahead and load the image as a background, the original or a solid color, okay? So you get a couple more options right there, okay? So that's gonna do it right here for this video right here, okay? So make sure you go ahead and show some love, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for checking out my channel. This is my time right here, peeps. Thanks a lot.